Future Millionaire. It's 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is some breaking news from the IMF. This came out just about an hour ago or shortly there before. Breaking: IMF sees stablecoins can lead to another crypto winter. The crypto market is reeling under pressure as a result of contagion due to the Terra Luna crash in May and liquidity crisis in June. So make sure to hit that like button. Hit that motherfucking like button. And if you want to short the market with me, make sure you click my video description below. You get on BitGet. I partnered with BitGet because I like the way they do things. I like the way that their copy trading is, to where you guys can copy trade with me, which is a cool little feature. I haven't done any kind of copy trading in about 4 or 5 days now. So you see it's been flat since the 21st, since I've been dealing with Michaela's diabetes stuff, so it's been a rough few days, but we've done like, I don't know, 100 and something trades now through here. But yeah, 179 trades. We've hit 114 of them. So the point is if you want to short the market, it's very simple. So I'm going to show you how to do a short trade, even though, you know, we're not going to open it, but if you're using USDT, I built it up to 1,077 now. You would literally go 33.57. You want to sell short right here. You got these are the leverages up top, and then you can pick your leverages you feel appropriate. You sell short. Let's say I put $5. This would be the confirm. Estimated liquidity would be, or liquidation would be. Oh, what did I pick? Short, where are we at? 33.57, current price, 33.63, margin ratio 22.03. Yeah, and our liquidation price would be if it went over 34.87, all $5 would be liquidated. But make sure if you do it in isolated. So at the top, it'll always start out in cross margin. Make sure you switch it to isolated. Isolated means they can't take any more money out of your profile and your futures account, and it's just that $5 trade. Cross margin means that $5 trade could drain my entire $1,090. It's just the liquidity price would be way up there. So anyhow, I have the link in the video description below. Make sure you click that because you get 5,000 in bonuses instead of 4,132 or whatever it is. Plus it helps support the channel. Let's see. So we're reeling Terra Luna crash in May and liquidity. So liquidity crisis in June with Luna, obviously. With the U.S. interest rate hike adding more pressure to the crypto winter, now the International Monetary Fund believes the crypto market could see another sell-off in crypto failures, including stablecoins. So that's why I was bringing up the BitGet, so that if you want to short, that's a reliable option. That it's a trading platform. I can't stress that enough. It's not a lending platform like KuCoin and like some of these other ones like Voyager. And some of these other ones that are going to be in some hot water, and some have already not given money back. So pay attention, especially if you're on KuCoin. I used to be on there, and there's a reason I left. So Tobias, let's see. IMF thinks stablecoin risk crypto winter recession. Tobias Adrian, Director of Monetary and Capital Markets for the IMF, in an interview on July 27th, believes the crypto market sell-off isn't over, as stablecoins could lead to another crypto winter. The recent IMF Economic Outlook report even shows bleak global economic growth in 2022 and 2023. We could further see further sell-offs both in crypto assets and in risky asset markets. Like equities, there could be further failures of some of the coin offerings. In particular, some of the algorithmic stablecoins that have been hit most hard, and there are others that could fail. Another crypto sell-off could further fail some cryptocurrencies, especially algorithmic stablecoins and even fiat-backed stablecoins. Adrian says stablecoins not fully backed by cash and treasuries pose greater risk, which is USDT, guys. He pointed to Tether losing its peg to the US dollar after the Terra Luna crash, as it is not backed by one-to-one and has risky assets. However, some stablecoins backed by cash reserves are less likely to fail, which would be USDC, which is why I hold my money in it, if I have to. Tether CTO Paulo Ardino revealed that USDT holds no Chinese commercial paper. Moreover, its total commercial paper exposure has dropped to nearly $3.7 billion from $30 billion a year ago. Tether plans to further decrease exposure to $200 million by August end, zero by end of October, early November this year. The IMF downgraded global economic growth amid soaring inflation, which risks forthcoming recession. Adrian believes a global regulatory approach is needed to regulate exchanges and wallet providers. So Bitcoin and Ethereum prices volatile amid FOMC meeting. Bitcoin and Ethereum prices are volatile as the Fed decides on an interest rate hike between 75 or 100 basis points. The July FOMC meeting is most significant for the crypto and stock market as the Fed has put a 100 basis point rate hike on the table as a result of inflation rising to 9.1% in June. Bitcoin and Ethereum prices are currently trading 3% and 8% higher at $21,472 and $14.89 respectively. So that's what we're looking at there with the IMF, and I wanted you guys to see this because that is very, very important news. And then just a little more news to bring you. So this was just something that was also breaking a little while ago. This is just some stuff I read on the phone, so I'm going to share with you guys every so often. Not always going to just go on the charts because I go on the charts all the time, and obviously I'll take a peek at Bitcoin so you guys can see exactly if we're still holding that ascending triangle breakout. But other than that, I'm not going through a million charts. You know, sometimes it's just like I'm going to share the news. So hundreds of millions of XRP, so over 365 million XRP Ripple XRP transferred between two exchanges and unknown wallets. Hundreds of millions of XRP coins have been transacted between two popular exchanges and unknown wallets. Over 300 million units of Ripple XRP coins have flowed from popular crypto exchanges Bitstamp and FTX to unknown wallets, and vice versa in the past hours. That's interesting. According to a series of tweets shared by popular cryptocurrency whale tracker Whale Stats, nearly 356.5 million XRP tokens were transacted among Bitstamp, FTX, and unknown wallets. Details of the XRP transactions. The first transaction took place earlier today with 29.5 million XRP, 9.95 million sent from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp, 29,500,000 XRP, totaling 9,954,464 USD, transferred from unknown wallet to Bitstamp. Afterward, 34 million XRP valued at around 11.41 million at the time of the transaction were sent from FTX to an unknown wallet. 34 million XRP, 11.414 million, transferred from FTX to unknown wallet. Whale alert, July 27, 2022. Moments later, a total of 139.999 million, or 139.9 million XRP worth around 47.18 million were transferred in two separate transactions from Bitstamp to two unknown cryptocurrency wallets. And then, so, let's see. 100 million XRP, 33,702,346 USD transferred from Bitstamp to unknown wallet. And also, later on, an unknown wallet transferred 40 million XRP to Bitstamp, while another 40 million XRP flowed from the cryptocurrency exchange to an unknown wallet. So that's pretty interesting. Both transactions were worth approximately 13.5 million at the time it was completed on the blockchain for these 40 million. Additionally, 40 million XRP, 13.52 million were later sent from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp, while another 33 million XRP was transferred from Bitstamp to unknown wallet. It is worth noting that a total of 356,499,950 XRP has been transacted between the exchanges and unknown wallets in the past hours. More XRP transactions recently. In the last couple of days, millions of XRPs have been transacted between exchanges and unknown wallets. Prior to these developments, large XRP transactions of this sort were usually recorded when Ripple conducted its monthly token unlock. However, more XRP is being transacted between exchanges and unknown wallets in recent times after Ripple's co-founder Jed McCaleb offloaded his remaining slash of the cryptocurrency. According to reports, 165 million XRP flowed between exchanges and unknown wallets yesterday. So very, very interesting indeed. So, other than that, the only other thing I want to show you is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still over the top of this ascending triangle, and if it holds this would be a breakout. Basically, all we're looking for right now, we had a nice overzealous run up. Typically now, we came down, came back up. We even had a push up like this. Now it's up to the market. Is it going to come down here one last time, or is it going to start to use this 30-minute support right now? We can bounce here, use this, and then start shooting our way back up. At least to the, remember yesterday we talked about the 200-day, how everything was seeking out the 200-day. Now, in order to get bullish from here, to at least move up to the next section, you got to break over the 200-day with Bitcoin. But the key, and mark this down on your calendar, 21,000. This, oh, why do I have this out? Right here. 21,200 or 21,160, just depending on where you hit it on the downtrend. You've got to hold that as support. If we hold this as support and the Fed meeting comes out, because they're starting to talk today at 2:30, but I believe the official release is tomorrow because it's a 2-day meeting, the FOMC meeting. If they do a 75 basis point hike, expect if this was to hold here to have a pump back up to no less than 22,988, but probably 25.5 because we've already got that baked in. If it's 100, it's where it makes it more tricky. You could still get a quick pump to 22.9 if you're holding the support, but it would come back through, I believe. But if it was anything over 100, this would collapse the market, and I don't think they have the guts to do it. So I think it's more likely they're going to do a 75, even though I was calling for 100 before. But I'm begging them to do 100 or more. I really hope it's 100 or more. So that's what we're looking at. And then since we talked about XRP in that article, XRP is still in a very difficult spot here. It's trying to hold this 20-day support. But as you can see, this is your pivot level. You've got to get above this and hold it. So right now we came back below the 20-day. So we really need to hold this. Otherwise, we're going to quick impulse move back down to 32.3 and then maybe even farther. I mean, it's not really an impulse, but it's going to have to make some kind of move. And you can see this might have formed an M. So we're going to have to be very careful here in the 30-minute especially. But if it could come up, hold this little area of support at about 33.75, then you're clear up once you break the 200-day to almost 35 cents. So the grand pattern, though, if you look at it from the outside, I mean, you can see we've got this uptrend that we're desperately trying to get back to. And then the true trend is way down there. So stay blessed and make sure to hit that motherfucking like button.